Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss question number 11. And please remember, I have told you preference shares can be redeemed in three ways: by using divisible profits, or by completely issue of shares, let it be equity share or preference share, or combination of these two. Please remember, when it is comes to combination of these two, see, sometimes they can give you number of shares to be issued. They will, in the question they will give how many shares to be issued, but in few questions they will not give you how many shares to be issued. So you need to calculate. Okay, please remember, this is very important. You need to calculate um, how many number of shares to be issued. This is very important adjustment, please remember. So when they ask these type of questions, they can ask for 6 marks. So please try to understand. Okay, a company has to redeem 1 lakh worth of preference shares at a premium of 10%. Please remember, now we have 1 lakh worth of preference shares at a premium of 10%. They need to redeem at a premium of 10%. The amount of divisible profits and security premium account available in balance sheet is 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. See, I'm sorry, 10,000, 20,000 and 1,000. It is 1,000. Okay, I'll repeat. The amount of divisible profit is how much? 20,000, and security premium is how much? 1,000 respectively they have in their balance sheet. Find out the minimum number of equity shares to be issued at a premium of 5% in order to redeem the preference shares. This is very important. Now see, they are asking us to calculate minimum number of equity shares to be issued at a premium of 5% in order to redeem the preference shares. That is what I have been telling to you. In few questions they have only given how many shares to be issued, but in this question it is totally different. Okay, what they are given, you need to calculate the minimum number of shares to be issued at a premium of 5%. So whenever they ask question like this, please remember, this is very important question. So first what you need to do, you need to calculate minimum number of shares to be issued. For that, the simple formula is, which is very simple, please try to understand. So for calculation of minimum share to be issued, simple formula is amount of preference share to be redeemed. Look at here, they want to redeem total amount of preference share capital is how much? 1 lakh at a premium of 10%. Okay, now amount of preference share to be redeemed plus premium on redemption is how much? 10% equals divisible profit. Look at here, general reserve, they have given divisible profit, correct? No, divisible profit is how much? 20,000 we have. Divisible profits plus security premium is how much? 1,000. Security premium is 1,000. Okay, look at here, 1,000. Security premium is 1,000, and plus fresh issue of equity shares. We don't know, they are in the question they have given number of shares to be issued. So fresh issue of equity shares plus premium on fresh issue of equity shares. See, we don't know number of shares to be issued, and the premium is how much percentage? 5%. This is very important. See, if they give premium you need to add, if they give discount you need to minus. We'll discuss. Now amount of, look at the question now. Amount to be redeemed is how much? 1 lakh. You need to write 1 lakh, and premium is how much? 10%. So 1 lakh into 10%, it will be 10,000. Okay, equals divisible profit. 20,000 is a divisible profit, so we need to write 20,000 here. And security premium is how much? 1,000. You need to write, and this is in 2019 they have asked the same question. Please remember, it is very important. 1,000 security premium. And fresh issue of equity shares, we don't know, correct? No, we don't know how many shares to be issued. We need to calculate. They are asking us to calculate. We don't know. So when we don't know value, we will consider as X. So fresh issue of equity shares will be how much? X. And premium on fresh issue is how much? 5%. 5% of what? Fresh issue of equity shares, that is X. So the amount of fresh issue of equity share will be X, and the premium will be X into 5%. So that is how you need to write X into X 5%. Okay, now if you add 1 lakh plus 10,000, it will be 1 lakh 10,000. 20 plus 1,000, 21,000. X will be right, and please remember 5% of X is nothing but 5 divided by 100 into X, correct? No, so 5 divided by 100 can be written as 0.05. Take out calculator and check out. 5 divided by can be written as 0.05x. Now see, both are variables. Okay, X variables. So what you need to do, one, see, if nothing is there means 1 will be there. Okay, 1x plus 0.05x, it will be 1.05x. Now See, first we'll take x variable this side, left hand side. So minus 1.05x is equal to, if we bring to left hand side, it will be minus 0.15x is equal to 21,000 minus 1,10,000. So if we minus, then we'll get minus 1.05x is equal to minus 89,000. So minus will get cancelled. So the ultimate answer will be how much? 0.15x is equal to 89,000. So x will be it will be in left hand side only. We'll divide 89,000 by 1.05. So if you minus, how much we will get? 84,762. The amount of fresh issue to be made is how much? 84,762 rupees. Now minimum number of shares, please remember, always the face value will be issue of shares will be 10 rupees. If they don't give, you should assume that 10%, 10 rupees. So 84,762 divided by 10 rupees, if you do, how much you will get? 8476. Minimum number of equity shares to be issued is how much? 8476. That's all, which is very important for 6 marks. Please remember the formula. When they ask us to calculate, or when they ask us to give minimum number of shares, when they don't give number of shares to be issued, you should use this formula. Amount of preference share to be redeemed plus preference share on redemption is equal to divisible profits plus security premium plus amount of fresh issue of equity shares plus premium on fresh issue of equity shares. If you use this formula, you can solve easily. I hope the concept is clear. So if you have any doubts, please don't forget to text me. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.